Okay guys, here. All right fellas, we had got home with it and I was going to shoot a video, show you the guys, see the headers that I've got on the car now. On Fenton, split exhaust manifold, goes down with two lead-off pipes back up under the car. And I'm going to walk down here and, hey Britt.
Hey.
And he's playing with jet. And here's the back of it, so I'm going to crank it up. Hang on. Go ahead, son. Kind of sound like normal here. Okay. That Britton's going to be my throttle man. Does that sound like a 6-cylinder, guys? All right, Britton, push the accelerator and let off of it. Do it again. Again. Yeah, do it one more time. There he went. All right. Thank you, Britt. Okay, guys. Send a video to you.